In this section, we are going to implement the create book feature of the book management module in our bookstore website. To see our task list in this section, first we need to code a new book servlet, and then we create the book form page, the SP, and we validate the input in the form, and then we create the servlet class, create book servlet, and update the book services class accordingly. This is a user interface design of the book form page. You see, because a book belongs to a category, so first we need to load all categories in a drop-down list like this, and then we have the fields title, author, ISBN, published date. For the published date field, when the admin clicks on this field, it shows a calendar that allows the admin to select a date. So we will use the